What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to continue tracking Shiba Inu, which is starting to just piss me off because we have been waiting day after day after day after day for the freaking breakout to happen, and it keeps dragging us on longer and longer and longer, which is at some point going to build up enough pressure and pop with the volume that it's getting from day after day after day of us waiting. Very similar to what is actually happening right now on XRP. You can see if I pull up Bityard here, XRP just popped, and we've been tracking this for about a week now, waiting and waiting and waiting, slowly adjusting our charts, and here is a 16% explosion in a bear market. Everything is down right now. Cryptocurrency is down, but XRP managed to explode to the upside here. So we're looking for a similar pattern to happen on SHIB. As SHIB is slowly trending sideways here, we're gonna have to slowly adjust the charts the same way here just to account for the fact that we're still in a downtrend here. I know it's unfortunate, but that's what we have to do, and we are expecting to see this breakout happen very soon. I do have a few articles I do want to talk to you about. First one is being that AMC theaters now accept Doge and Shiba as crypto payments. Can you imagine like that you invested into Doge and SHIB and it exploded and you can't cash out, but you can just go to unlimited AMC movies for the rest of your life, like, or Dogecoin for the rest of your life? Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. And then also here, finally, other people are starting to pick up and notice the pattern that we've been drawing on here. You can see Shiba Inu trending down with Dogecoin, but a breakout may be near. Finally, somebody else notices the symmetrical triangle that's forming on Shiba Inu here, and that means that we might get that pop that we're looking for as other people are starting to notice, getting ready to buy in just like us. With this all being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by COLDSTACK, a continued sponsor here on the channel. COLDSTACK is a decentralized cloud aggregator, first to market decentralized storage aggregators for Web 3.0, which is super cool because they can actually store information in the cloud, similar to what like Amazon can do too, but this is like the Uber for cloud storage, which is super cool for businesses and stuff like that. This is all cryptocurrency related. They have NFT support and stuff like this. More information and their new partnership at the end of today's video. But with that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So as you guys know, I mean, it's kind of a nuisance at this point, but every like orange video we have here is a reference to us tracking the Shiba Inu breakout. And it's been continued day after day, and us trying to find the breakout to happen here. And all we've been doing is just extending our charts here, our supports and resistances, to basically find the point of breakout that Shiba Inu would have here. And at this rate, with this small adjustment here, this now extends the breakout from the 12th all the way to the 15th. This now adds 3 more days. So you can see if we jump to the 4-hour here, what we're looking at. I mean, ideally, we're trying to find the bottom here. That's the ideal pattern. Where is the bottom? Is this it? Is this the lowest point that we're looking for? Are we going to hold this and finally decide to complete the breakout closer to the 15th or the 14th of March here? Or is it going to be extended somehow before we see a break? Obviously, we have the 2 targets here. We don't have to go over that again because we've already tracked where the breakouts could shoot to. But I guess we'll touch upon this and see what other articles and other people's opinions have to say. Now, AMC theaters are now accepting Doge and crypto and Shiba as payment. The world's largest movie exhibition company, AMC, has finally begun accepting payments in Doge and Shiba. Supporters of Doge and SHIB have been waiting for AMC theaters to accept 2 meme coins. It's crazy to see the adoption. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, they would never have touched this, especially meme coins. Meme coins are being accepted as payment. Is that not crazy that this is where the world is coming from? Cryptocurrency meme coins created as a joke are now being accepted and used as payment. That blows my mind. That says there's something wrong with the US dollar. People would rather accept Doge and Shiba Inu as a payment. Although what I probably believe is happening here is the payment method BitPay allows you to pay with that. But what's happening is you probably have your SHIB, you send it to them on BitPay, it immediately converts the SHIB the second they get it, and Dogecoin into US dollars, and then gives those US dollars to AMC. I believe that's it. It's probably a lot easier that way on taxes too, because they're not paying capital gains and keeping track of it. But they could accept it as crypto and just hold it as cryptocurrency too, but I highly doubt that's what they plan on doing here. But just very interesting that they're now offering this method. But I don't see why not. People are willing to pay it, and they're going to come just for the experience of paying with SHIB. Why not accept it? It doesn't make sense. Like, I would go just to check it out. I'm sure a lot of other people would do that too. So Shiba Inu is trending down with Doge, but a breakout may be near here. You can see the crypto could be the next. Shiba Inu is trading lower on Wednesday, along with Dogecoin on one of the cryptocurrency inspirations. Shiba is nearing the end of the pattern. That's what we're really looking at. Shiba is nearing the end of the pattern and going to be setting up for a breakout soon if the cryptocurrency sees above average volume. That's what we're looking for. Shiba Inu is nearing the end of what traders call a pennant pattern. Yeah, pennant or symmetrical triangle, and can be due for a breakout and a large move if it can push past resistance on strong volume. That's what we're looking for. The crypto trades below its 50-day moving average, but above the 200-day moving average. This shows Shiba Inu is in a period of consolidation, as we know. The 50-day moving average may act as resistance, while the 200 is acting as a support. The RSI has been moving the past few weeks. It sits at about 42. It shows slightly more that sellers in the market than there are buyers, and this caused the asset to fade lower and lower over the past few weeks. But you can see clear as day here that they also have a uptrend and a downtrend. Now, I would have moved this tighter. I wouldn't use the wicks as a means of support here, but I mean, if you use the 4-hour charts, you could use these. But the daily, I would pull it tighter. I would pinch this bottom support in tighter. The uptrend is good here, or the downtrend's good. They use see, it's interesting. Like, stick to one. If you're going to use the wicks, he used the wick here as a means of support. Wick, and wick as support for the bottom uptrend here. At the top resistance, he only used the candles, so you can see the top of the candles. If not, he would have pulled this white band all the way up to the tops here, or even higher up to the tops there if he's going to continue to use wicks. Don't use wicks here or don't use wicks here and then not use wicks up here. It doesn't make sense that way. Stick with one and use that pattern throughout here. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we're dealing with, what we're looking at here on SHIB. It's really just waiting for that to finally complete itself here. Whether it's a pennant fag or falling fractal or symmetrical triangle, we do know that it is going to come to an end very soon. And with the clear bullish breakout that happened within BitYard here, can very easily happen within Shiba Inu 2. In a bear market, we could still blast bullish or we could blast bearish. It's just a matter of time. We just have to wait for it. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk more about COLDSTACK with you. I want to give a huge shout out to COLDSTACK for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, COLDSTACK is the first market aggregator of decentralized data storages for Web 3.0, and users can save up to 80% compared to just storing their files in Web3 clouds, and up to 10 times that compared to just storing their files in Amazon. Now, integrating all Web3 clouds, COLDSTACK aims to be a cloud with the biggest capacity in the world, and the project is also growing really fast. Like recent partnerships with Akash, Chainlink, and listing on MEXC have already happened. Now, COLDSTACK is basically the Uber for clouds, the aggregator of decentralized clouds such as Filecoin, and it is a unified protocol which allows to use the decentralized cloud storage platforms such as Filecoin, SIA, Airwave, as well as storage without significant integration efforts. Now, much like how Uber supplies its clients with convenient and cost-effective rides and deliveries from a huge pool of drivers, COLDSTACK supplies its users with convenient ways to use the world's most affordable storage space from any cloud. And the main purpose of COLDSTACK is to store and retrieve users' data in a stack of clouds via Unified Data Exchange API, which is 100% compatible with Amazon's S3 API. Now, as the first to market decentralized cloud aggregators, COLDSTACK offers a single entry point to any cloud, optimizing the final cost for consumers with their AI-based pipeline. And some good news is that for the entire year of 2022, all revenue generated by the COLDSTACK protocol and fees will be burnt and never to be seen again. And this event started a couple days ago and will run until about 11:59 p.m. on the 31st of December of 2022, and it is expected that approximately 2% of the entire supply, or approximately 1 million tokens, will be burned throughout the duration of the event, and it's like more than 20% of the tokens which are in circulation right now. Now, the ambition of the burn is to properly drive adoption and awareness for this emerging game-changing technology, and project is in a public beta now and will be fully launched in late March, which it already has got to pretty much 90% of its full functionality though. Now, COLDSTACK announced that they will soon implement a standard staking system, and it will be a 10% APY, nothing special, but COLDSTACK will also announce a so-called store and earn NFT-based incentive program, and with it, you will not be 10%, but 10 times more. Now, it is an opportunity for all to participate in the early adoption of game-changing technology, and more importantly, to be rewarded for it. Now, COLDSTACK will reward an NFT, which has extra perks attached to it, to those who store their data through COLDSTACK and perform other actions to contribute to the COLDSTACK ecosystem. Now, the whole incentives program is about gamification, and please keep in mind it will be NFT based, so if you contribute to COLDSTACK's ecosystem but do not want to stake their token, you can sell your NFT. Or if you want to stake in an efficient manner but have not gone for one of those award NFTs, then you could buy in marketplaces like OpenSea or SuperRare, which is looking very promising. Now, COLDSTACK is the Uber for clouds, giving you access to numerous different decentralized clouds, all competing with each other for your business in one simple place. So guys, if you are interested in investing in this project, please refer to their website, which I've listed down in the description below. Otherwise, huge shout out to COLDSTACK for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.